I relearned all of the PLL algorithms today in like 24 hours because I had them memorized before and I just forgot them. So we're gonna see how fast I can solve Rubik's Cube now. I think it'll be around 50 to 40 or 40 to 50 seconds. So I have it scrambled here. Put it here for now, and then I've got my timer here. So, oh, there's inspection time. I forgot about that. I don't know. Inspection time stresses me out because I feel like I'm gonna forget something. Okay, got it. Gotta lubricate these cubes. Oh shoot! Oh, I pressed it. Oh no! Wait. The last one I did. Okay, y'all can't see that, but oh man, it's 33 seconds. Okay, that's great. Okay, awesome. I've got another one here. Got this one. Let's do this one too, because why not? Okay, oh. Yeah. Okay. I think this one's more lubricated, so I could probably move this one a lot faster. Oh. Never mind. Oh, nice. Okay, that one was 39 seconds, so pretty good, but I think it could be better if I learned OLL, so